Okay, for sale is this Kenwood TS-820. I've had this one for about 5 years, part of my personal collection of many Kenwood radios that I have. This will be the last one that I'll offer for sale for quite a long time. Anyway, when I first bought this radio, the digital display didn't work properly. It flickered, the tuning was unstable. Basically doing what's quite common for these radios because of the type of connectors that they used. That's all been cleaned, and all the dry solder joints have been taken care of. So we'll turn on our calibrator. There's the calibrator. After it warms up, as you can hear, nice and stable, that tone isn't changing. The calibrator comes in every 25 kilohertz, so listen here. We go all the way to the bottom. That's as low as it can go. Nice and stable, no flickering. We go all the way to the very top. Nice and stable. Some sort of strange local QRM there. Or it might be some sort of data. Could be the damn Chinese. Alright, let's go all the way down. And nice and stable, so we'll turn that calibrator off. We'll come up here. I'll do the right thing. This is VK2XXL, here's the frequency in use. On these radios, always keep the ALC within that range when you transmit. This is VK2XXL, here's the frequency in use, please. Alright, nothing heard. So we'll come over here to our power meter. This is VK2XXL testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. A bit hard to capture on the average reading meter, but we've got about 100 watts of output power, so the tubes are nice and strong. And when we talk, that's about where you want to be modulating, averaging about the 50 to 70 range, or thereabouts. And if we come over here to our idling current, audio 1, 2, 3, hello, 1, 2, 3, you want to be seeing about 100 to 150 milliamps, so that's in keeping within the manufacturer's specifications. And then if we go across to CW and drop us a carrier, as you can see, just under 100 watts. I could rock these back and forth to get 100 or get just over 100, but I mean, there's not really much point with these. The point being that the tubes are nice and strong. It does the same thing down there on 40 meters as well. Now, unfortunately, the bands are very quiet this evening. This is 20. I cannot hear anyone around. No, very quiet. Let's try 40. Change over to the verticals. Everybody always gets on FT8 and no voice. CW. That's the WB2 REM group, but conditions are very bad right now.
He's on the line from Glasgow. Kia ora, Andrew. Welcome back tonight.
Thanks, mate.
But yeah, the the broadcast stations, of course, are very strong.
Well, you could use that to boost public services and create a Scandinavian kind of country right at Boris Johnson's doorstep.
Well, that sounds lovely. I mean, that's the thing with Scandinavia, isn't it? Norway's not that long ago. I had a pint of lager and it cost me about 10.
I love the way how these old school calendars as well can bounce back and forth. Sometimes when you're right on the range, it's quite cute with this old school tech. But anyway, it's yeah, very nice TS-820. I'll be sorry to see it go, but if you saw my back room, you'd be like, And when you're trying to moving as I am, just got to lighten the load. So there we go. TS-820 by Kenwood.